I'm Graydon Bazell. I'm a senior account executive with Sonic Commerce. So Sonic Commerce is an e-commerce platform that is built for B2B, and it grew up on the Microsoft Dynamics channel. We're natively integrated into D365, F&O, and BC, and SAP. We've been born in this channel, and we help B2B merchants bring their complex processes online while reducing the burden on their internal teams to manage those workflows between their product sellers and their customers. DynamicsCon Live is a great opportunity for us to connect not only with end customers, but also with our partners. It's a great cross-section of the channel and an opportunity for us to catch up with old friends and, especially this time, meet a lot of new faces that we haven't had a chance to see before, talk about the way our solution can drive value for them, and figure out new ways that we can unite with our channel partners, other ISVs and VARs, to find new ways to add value to our mutual customers in the space. The Duck community is awesome because everyone supports one another. There's competition, sure, but when you reach out to any of your ISV peers or competitors, they're willing to share their knowledge, share insights on ways that we can help drive value for our customers, can learn from one another, can work together to solve unique challenges. You know, this community is all about learning and supporting one another. It's a really fun place.